Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert text to a song on CapCut. So if you guys didn't know, now CapCut has the voice or the function or feature that can change your text into a song. So I'm going to show you how. So this is my video. I'm going to add the text first. So this one's right here. Hi guys, don't forget to like and sub this video. Oops. And subscribe to our channel. Okay, so yeah, that's the text. Okay, so I'm going to edit the text first. Just be patient with me. Okay, so this is the text. So I'm going to adjust it like so, and then what you need to do next is click on the text to speech at the bottom, and here choose if you want to there are two options, kids vocalist and also female vocalist. So you just need to choose between one of these to convert your text into a song. So let's try the kids vocalist first.
Hi guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to us.
Okay, let's try the female vocalist.
Hi guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
I think I like this one's better. And then just click on the check icon. So it's now generating. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so after that you can just delete the text, and let's hear the result.
Hi guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hi guys.
Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can convert text to a song. So I think it's really good. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.